very good morning today. Good morning, sir. So how are you feeling today? Yes, very good. So today we are doing something more fun and active. So today we are going to do an activity which is called fitness class. So before we start, let's talk about why fitness is important. Okay. Any of you want to share about fitness? Yes, good. Okay, I will explain more. So, fitness helps our body to strong and healthy. So, it strengthens our heart, build muscle, and give us more energy to do our daily routine. So, staying active is one of the best ways to take care of our body. Alright, so I want Charles to answer this question. What exercise do you think that makes your heart beat faster? Running. Running. Okay, good. How about Izudin? Jogging. Good. Yay. Alright, so how about this? In your experiences or your opinion, what is the exercise that can help our body to build muscle? Correct. Excellent. Alright, so these are the examples of cardiovascular endurance and muscular strength. So without waiting for too long, let's see how well you guys move in our game, which is called fitness class. Alright. So before we start, I will be explaining the rules first. So who knows? Who didn't know, guys? Of course, everyone knows, right? Okay, so guys have 1 until 6. So in this game, every number has their own activity. Which is, if you get 1, you have to do jumping jack. I'm sorry. If you get 2, you have to do squat. If you get 3, you have to do lunge. Who didn't know lunge? You guys know? Okay. If you get 4, you have to do push up. If you get 5, you have to do high knee. And if you get 6, you have to do plank. But only for 5 seconds. Alright, so I will let one of you to roll the dice, and we all, not we all, just all of you will do the exercise together based on the number that your friend gets. Understand? Alright, who wants to roll first? Yes, good. I like it. What is it? Alright, so Charles will be playing dice. Then, what number he will get? Wait. So Charles get 4. Based on the rules, what is the activity for 4? Yes, so now all of you are going to do push up for only 2. For those who can't do more, can only do once. Alright, so in position. Okay, starting from in position Charles, Hakim, 1 and 2. Yay! Alright, congratulations. All good. Alright. Okay. Because this game every student has to play the dice. Then Charles have done this part. Then moving on to the next person. It's a game. The rest have sit.
Happy.
Okay. Okay. So you didn't get 1. So no, wait. What is the activity for 1? Jumping jack. Correct. So now all of you in position, then you have to do for 3 times. Jumping jack. It's easy, right? Alright. Starting from 1, 2, and 3. Good job. Okay. 2. So Hakim get 2. So what is the activity for 2? 2 is squat. So this is not really know how to do squat. Everyone knows. So okay, starting from in position. Starting from you have to do only 5. What? 5? 5 seconds. Okay. Alright. Starting from now. Alright. So moving on to the next person. Next student. Kuda. Okay, senang kuda. Okay, let's see what kuda. So 5. What is the activity for 5 student? What is lunge? Okay, Hakim, can you do demonstration? Okay, let's observe how Hakim do, and then we will go to the lesson. Alright. Okay, Hakim. Good. Only once. Alright, so all you have to do for 6 times. Understand? Yes. In position. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Yay! Okay, sit down. Okay, next. Jacqueline. You also have to today. 5 per day. It's okay. We will have this number. Okay, oh, see! Alright. So, everyone know how to do flying sky? Yes. Alright, in position. It's okay. Okay, so you want to do it right? Alright, this is only for 5 seconds. Okay, starting from 1. Leg stretch out. 2. In 3. 4 and 5. Good job. Alright. What is the activity that you haven't done yet? What? Bogart. Okay, jumping jack you have done right? Yes. How about squat? Yes. Lunge? Yes. High knees? No. Push up? Yes. Yes. Okay, so this is basically what I need to get started. Okay, now what you have to do? What is it? Good. Correct. So, you can empty with the number to do high knees. Everyone know? Yes. Is it increase? Good. Okay. High knees, can someone demonstrate first? I don't like to get it back. Alright. Demon. Alright. Alright. How much? 3. Okay, I will negotiate. Good. But next time, you're going to physical health classroom 3 students. Alright, Charles? You got your jeans in my okay, so alright, so everyone have seen how to do it, right? All you have to do is I need for 6 times. Okay, starting from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Clap your hands. Okay, so everyone we all have done the activities starting from the first until the 6th activity, right? Yes. Okay, I need to go to 6 Alright, let's pull down for big and think about what we just did. Okay, we will have the 6th activity, right? Yes. Okay. Based on all the activities, use of those activities that makes you be best. I think good at it.
Technical lesson. I think the one that make my heart the fastest is the plank.
Okay, how about this? I need, how about this? 7 days. Okay, how about this? I need, seven. I think also. Which one of them? Which of them? I need. Yeah. Okay, how about you? I need. Squat, how about you usually? Jumping, how about you? Squat, how about you? What? I need. How about you? Jumping jacks, right? Okay, how about you? Jumping jacks. It's fun, right? Yeah.